Ka Voice of the People Party kalami paidbah ban Kyrshan Ïaka Jingïakhih kabadang ya Jantar Mantar Delhi halor ki jingkno badon ki jingle bam hong hakanit unong ai ktien ke VPP u Dr. Apis W Rani ulo ong bakaseng ke yang ringkat bat ki samla puli bat ki nong shnong ki bayakhi da ka ba ong bakani kamat kamde tang halor kanit hinrei ka dei ru ka jingdawa ban yadai ki jaka puli na ka jingbam sam bat ka jingsha pen thod hakasan perthei ulapin remru ya ka jingle jongki pulit persha ikino yakhi Delhi da ka bakino badon ki basha bom de kilathi bat sha sia de kile air pin bthei bat don ru ki bla min saw ka VPP ka bu jingli ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka baula kno ba ka snapjar halor ka ni kaman bat kala dawa ba ka Sorkar Jylla kan pin pau shai ya ka nongrim jongka u Dr. Rani ula bu jingli ru hatu ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka don ki jing smokia ki samla bat kala wei jongki bat hatu ka Sorkar Jylla kadang yen halor ka hok jongki samla ka VPP kala ong ba ki paidbah Meghalaya kidi hok bantip shano ka Sorkar Jylla ka yeng halor ka ni kaman.
Hello, I am Dr. Apis W Rani, spokesperson of the Voice of the People Party. During the ongoing protests in Delhi, the protest which is related to the alleged irregularities in the NEET UG examinations, the Voice of the People Party, a political party from the state of Meghalaya in Northeast India, expresses its solidarity with all the protesters who have come from across the country, some of them students, some of them professionals and other walks of life. We stand with them for the issue that they stand for, and we extend our wholehearted support to the ongoing protests. To the BPP, this protest is not confined only to the alleged irregularities in the NEET examinations, but it's all about protecting the public institutions from corruption, nepotism, and undue political interference, and also safeguarding the interests and future of millions of our youth across the country. So we stand with you and we extend our support morally and otherwise. Secondly, we have seen from the media reports regarding the mishandling of the police authorities to the protesters. We have seen that they have been brutally lathi charged, they have been injured, tear gas have been thrown at them, some of them being hospitalized. So we stand with you and we wish for your speedy recovery. We believe that peaceful dissent, constitutional demonstration with genuine issues such as this must be met with dialogue, not force. In the state of Meghalaya, the BPP is also raising same kind of concerns where we want to insulate all important institutions that provide public service from political interference. So we are happy that the stand that the issues that we are raising in the state is also resonating with the current protests in Delhi. Lastly, the VPP would like to question the government of Meghalaya, particularly the Chief Minister of the state. We want to know what is the stand of the government on this particular issue. At a time when the youth are protesting in the national capital, some of them even from Meghalaya also have gone, when they are facing police action and atrocities, we expect the Chief Minister and the state government to speak up. But on the contrary, the state government has chosen to remain silent. Does it mean that the government of Meghalaya does not care about the youth and their future? Does it mean that government of Meghalaya does not pay any concern regarding the alleged irregularities? Or does it mean that the government of Meghalaya has merely become a puppet in the hands of the central government? These are the questions that deserve answers. These are the issues that are affecting the youth of Meghalaya no less than those in the rest of the country. So therefore, the people of Meghalaya deserves to know the stand of the Meghalaya government on this particular issue. And I would like to remind you that in the past few days, we have seen from media reports that one of the coalition partners in the MDA government has gone to the extent of saying that the protesters must be shot. We don't know whether the statement is true or right or wrong, but if it is true, it partly reflects the attitude of the government. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.